Big thank you to everyone for subscribing. Please consider subscribing if you haven't yet. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you.
Here's a calm surrender to the rush of day, when the heat of a rolling wind can be turned away, and a chanted moment, and it sees me through. It's enough for this restless warrior just to be with you.
Not when he was out of town on vacation, not ever. He never missed that. And so I texted him and I was like, I don't remember what I said, like something like, you didn't text me good morning or something or whatever. And he was like, oh, I'm sorry, I've been busy and stuff, which that's never happened. So I thought that was weird. And then it made sense.
Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe.
About that day, but up until that verse, so.
Brother that knew in his circle that you were coming?
No, his friends did. His whole family knew, not just his mom and his brother. Like, his whole family knew